How to delete all posts on Facebook in one click. So, first go to your Facebook application and then just tap on the menu icon. After coming into menu, go to your settings and here in settings go for profile settings and then scroll down to your Facebook information and here tap on activity log. After coming to the activity log, you can see there's an option of public post. Just tap on it and then you will be directed to here. And now you can see there's an option to select all. After selecting all, just tap on trash. I don't want to delete my all posts right now, that's why I'm not deleting them, but you can by just tapping on the trash button. So, subscribe to this channel for more how to videos like this.